I needed some more light for my layout, so I decided to get some of these counter brights. They're $5 a piece at the Habitat for Humanity. They came with halogen bulbs, which I quickly removed and replaced with large numbers of strip LEDs. These are very inexpensive. They're available all over the place. They're welded in with a two-part epoxy, and then I work on them with the soldering iron to wire everything up. And you can see here that when I get the final bit of work done, that I'm able to mount the item and test out the power with my bench power supply. They're about 12 volts, and I was able to use the power supply I already used for another system which I have already set up, which was just a bunch of these same LEDs on a piece of sheet metal, which is actually a pretty good arrangement if you can hide it. For these, they were in areas where I wanted to show them more. And you can see I mounted one above one corner of my layout, and managed to get the other in another area that was quite dark. Here's the layout as a whole. I'm working on the rock work, building the town up. My section plate table is working perfectly now. You can see right here, it's lighting up an area, putting the city in. And I've got some rock work here, foam rock work, which I've cut. And it's looking pretty good, and now it's properly lit as a result of working with the LEDs. So I'm very happy with the look overall, and I plan to keep using this technology in the future. Have a good one, guys.